everyone, welcome to Art Crumbs. As Independence Day is coming, so here is a beautiful poster on our country India. And before wasting any time, let's start with the drawing. So here I have taken an A4 size drawing sheet and now we are going to draw our heart, our country India, in our heart. So this heart basically depicts how much we love our country India. And then we are actually holding it in our hands because we want to protect this. And after that, I am going to draw here doves, which are the symbol of peace and also represent freedom. So now we are drawing the tricolor, and for the saffron color we are representing the courage, and for the green color we are representing the growth here through a green plant. And now it's time for my favorite part, coloring, where you actually give the true essence, the true meaning to your drawing. So actually this is going to be my India drawing through my lens. As we are coloring, so keep watching this, क्योंकि end में you will find the final reveal and that is going to be amazing. अब जबकि हमारा हैंड्स, ट्राई कलर और डव्स तो रेडी हो ही गए हैं, और अब बारी है हमारी ब्लू स्काई की, नीला आसमान। So drawing is about to complete and now we are blending, so let's give it a final look. I hope that you enjoyed watching this drawing. If you like my drawing, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel Art Crumbs and press the bell icon for all further updates. If you have any queries, you can mention them in the comment section, or you can also mail them to me on my Gmail ID artcrumbsforyou@gmail.com. And stay tuned for more such drawings. We will keep meeting. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye.